Good evening. So, ngasi akhoi na kidoba gravity ki last class oi gidini ko question akhoi anam mana hot palo igre khara khak warau bune ko satellite ki matang da aduga theory ju tak palo igre ko nahan gi class da di last class da theory tak palo igre ko so question hot kidaba warau ba khara du adum ken tok thoji ko ajik solve tok thoji. So let's begin today's class. Okay, fine. So, criminal last class ta kai bhog to graph the yeng azika. In last class to give C questions in about 2012 ta hang give C questions bhog to graph. So, aduna makhata or C. So, escape speed akoing rang to graph escape speed kizi almost lower mani ko. Earth satellite kida 2012 the hang C questions your malakwing rang to the ko. So okay fine. So question number 54 zinoing gadrang medras designer or question number 54 55 say yeng odu hero ko. Sir no what your kaheba? Yes. Okay. Kay have no sing na tahu dre. Tahu se abro no ito ge habra. Okay, ngarang ngam grave ko question number 54 ngam me have na tra. Gravel sana. Okay, okay fine. So atay di ngam gadra question number keno se 54 se. No response. Noina respond to october di yaren low duni ko adun we question number aduga ID noi ki marakte kana nomna sir ngam ID ngam do man di bo haraga di sir na dum solve to guduni ko. So question number 54 di doina ngam gadra ma'am 5454 se tauze ko. Okay, okay, tor se good. Tor se ko de. Yo. Now, question number 54 is the high ZK nav. If VE is escape velocity and V naught is orbital velocity of a satellite for orbit close to Earth's surface, then these are related by and I have never got. So, sida koi na khan gadu isi kay no have the say ke do V is kay no V is the root over 2ZME by R ini, so 2ZM by R have got, and then V naught china kay no have the V naught china kay no orbital velocity neba. Orbital velocity ki formula di no khangbra root over ZM by kay no R ko. But again close to kay do Earth surface I mean GM by R dang mo ni bu ko. Adu ergadi nang na kay do V naught divided by VE to matam da V naught to V na yen batar gadi kay tar ne have the 1 by root 2 tar ne bu ko. So it implies harga V naught is equal to VE by root 2 tai ko. So or VE is equal to root 2 times of V naught have enough for any ko. Option J. VE is equal to kaidoba root 2 times of V naught. So V equal to root 2 times of V naught. Option number C tabre yung ma'am. Yung. Yes, no.
D ta do ini sir whole is chumri.
Okay, V cha D ta do ni ko root se sang na ching da ne ko. Haidi root se sang na ching oi da ne sir na sige sang na ching si doing ko chen gra male ko. D ta ga ni ko. Mit the to je ko mit tak chen gra sha. Yare ko ma'am lo ne ma sige ja. Yarbo? Yani ko. Okay, fine. Kanudi yarba? Sahila yarba? Sahila have ni ko?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, hajik thang amado ko. Audagi atay Shivani, Kaninglu, Olivia yarba?
Oh, yeah, sir. Yani.
Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next question. So next is question number 55. The radii of circular orbits of two satellites A and B of the Earth are this and this respectively. If the speed of satellite A is 3V, then the speed of satellite V will be and have a cost. So question number 55 is ngamoi hari san tawdiba ngamni ha skip tawdiba sajainaro ngamni ba ko rebusana Sahila odagi Sivani haro Olivia ngamgadra tawse okay tawrji ko dudya tawrja amnena so question number 2010 hangoni ko 55 law whatever on your version. The radii of circular orbits of two satellites A and B of the Earth are 4r and r respectively have an if the speed of satellite A is okay fine so VA VAZ is equal to 3 times of V nebuka. Oh no, what is VA harga the root over kind of the ZM by harga Kedoba A is 4r 5r la 5r is equal to 3V never. Adu regadi VB di kayo have the root over ZM by harga R nina 2R la ni ko is equal to CC kayo have the VB never ko VB. Adu regadi aina sigi sida kay doni have the ahambagi 5R ze hap ke hargadi so mind or ze ko root over harga 5 by 2 harga aduga ZM by harga 5R harga ko sigi se root 5 by 2 sisi mahapazi and then sida root amaga hapage ko then cc yarba yare ko di cc yung root 5 ka kre aduga root 2 si manung changre si dum tabra so this is kaitane have the root 5 by 2 into harga 3v tare ko so okay fine ko root over the target the 3 and 9 la ni ko 9 5 45 by 2 so that is not very good. If the speed of satellite A is 3V, then the speed of satellite B will be in Hamnebuka. So, R4R and R respectively. So, Magi C. Oh, radii of my height native because she said this is 5 low is lale. So, 5 low is lale. See 4 them low with them Nika and she's in R them low with them Nebuka. And doing sir the height name color and atang. See 4 low with them, she's in R low with them. I do regard the Kedoni have the CC 4 them layers and go. I do go see there's 4 layers and I do regard the Kaitani answer am line ko. So see the 4 layer ni I do go see the Zukai do 4 layer ni at ko. How na? See the kind have the root 2 tarni and root 2 into harga 3V tarni ko. So which is equal to 2 no 4 ka di 2 tare so root 2 tare ko. Root 2 get 3V. So CCD again moina kedoba makada kayle 3 ka. Is there any mistake? No mistake. 4 le 4 hapchal le. Aduga nasai sigi 2 zina kay dino. Sigi 2 zidi sir na apay zi kay dino. Nasai fraktagi ba idura. Nasai fraktagi ba iduni ka. Howzik ti chang roy do ni size. Natra. Kay no di ZM by R ne ba ko kun be jawna root 4 or amnina sida 4 le ne adu di 2 unnecessary the mid thakpadagi story myam jawna. This is the Kailani 4 lani because aduna root 4 di kaino 2 lani 2 into kaidova 3V lani which is equal to 6V 6V tabre ho ma'am
Either.
Taiko yarbo sigize yarni ko sigize ho sigi root 4 siga si root 4 si kaknar ga dum root over ZM by R dum ta jai ko but kai sir na root 4 thamai je have the asigi si ZM root over ZM by 4R equal to 3V je sigi mahut sin be anam ne ko adugine aduna root 4 thama root 42 ni dana sumain to 6 beta re ko yarni ko next question torji so question number 56 say ye ko a ball is dropped from a spacecraft revolving around the earth at a height of 120 km what will happen to the ball and a ball is dropped from a spacecraft revolving around the earth at a height of 120 km. Okay, fine. So what will happen to the ball? the ball it will fall down to the earth gradually. It will go very far in the space. It will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of spacecraft, and it will move with the same speed tangentially to the spacecraft. And so ball throw to mana kai ball is drop na ball to thadok the spacecraft spacecraft is revolving around the earth at a height of 120 km aduna spacecraft ball tak ball spacecraft chatla laineba gyan tabra hadi magi hanagi spacecraft rest laineba spacecraft rest lay hajabani spacecraft to dikedoba madi earth around the revolve tornina ball so earth around the revolve torniba. So what will happen to the ball? Question number 5060. It will fall down to the earth gradually. No, it will not fall down. It will remain stationary with respect to the spacecraft. It will go very far in the space. It will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of spacecraft. Option number C is the right answer. It will move with the same speed tangentially to the spacecraft. No, tangentially chatloi. Maji have the spacecraft the weightlessness layer ni. Aduga project thadokda ball rest. ID spacecraft the rest but spacecraft to punna so option number C should be the right answer. C tabre ma'am. So question number 57 a satellite A of mass small m is at a distance r from the center of the earth. Another satellite B of mass 2m is at a distance 2r from the earth center. Their time periods are in the ratio. Sisi sir hochira nuing amgadra sajainaro sajairo hocheba. Okay, fine. So time period see mass of the satellite depend bra
sir.
Radius study bra have the radius have the orbital radius to I the satellite to gi orbit to gi radius study depend bra tawi ko bro aduna we have the T1 square is directly proportional to K1 K1 R1 cube neba and then T2 square is directly proportional to K R2 cube neba. Moi butu haji kaina their time periods are in the ratio have neba ko adu ragadi sidi kai tane abda T1 is to T2 is equal to ka aina kai implies that it is K equal to have ko. So this is equal to K ka kre aduna R1 by R2 to the power 3 by 2 la ani ko. So CC ka have the Kepler's third law duni ko si sa the sir ka time period formula panri dudi hai pan be ai but kana de Kepler's third law dum panjalo ko. So ahambagi radius na r ni is at a distance r from the center of the earth and 2m is at a distance 2r from the center of the earth. So this to the power 3 by 2 hai tar adu ragadi kaino habada CD1 cube ID 1 cube and C is 2 cube 2 cube harga root over. So CD kai tare habda 1 cube ki di kai do have the square root of 1 adum 1 tarni ko and then CD kai no have the 4 root 2 tarni chumbra 4 sorry 2 root 2 tarni ko. So this has to be 2 root 2. So option number D tabre kai I am the 4 root 2 say kai kamain ta the root 80 kai no root 80 root over 4 into 2 ni dana. So root 4 into root 2 tare root 42 root 2 na tra yare ko root 42 ni aduga root 2 siga multiply tar samain ta ba yarbo me am sigize yare ko. Okay, fine. All right, so let's move on to the next question. Gravity am live in gravity chapter. So question number 50 is energy of an orbiting satellite. So energy of an orbiting satellite see total energy is minus sarga z me m by re plus h so question number 58 have the a satellite of mass m is orbiting the earth of radius r at a height h from its surface. The total energy of satellite in terms of z naught, the value of acceleration due to gravity at the earth's surface is an adu ragadi si search solve to okay yam live question ni ko noi ngamgadaba mi yawra sigise no response noi ngamni ngamoi pok de haro keno okay what's it ko total energy is kaita have the minus half capital G me m divided by re plus h never in the at the earth surface adu ragadi si di amko kaita minus half G me ko then sigisida ina re square hapagadi sidayida kay lakani have the mathakta jo dum re square lerni re square re plus h lere ko and then kaidowa atang mindset ko m lerni yare ko so sumai lerni adudi kay tare sidi minus arga moigizum torji ko tu asigi je tarni ha tar kay tarni sigi poche kay no this is z natro cc z not lere and then kaidowa re say moina r square hai and this is m and then cgz re plus h r plus h 2 times of kaidowa r plus h tarni bako so this is option number kay tarni b tarni yarba me am cgz
yarni sir
yarni ka okay fine so okay let's move to the next question ko ma'am cgz lo na magyanarbo Sahila yarba Gravitation yarba Kaninglu Anjali
Yeah, sure.
yareka okay fare let's move on to the next question question number 59 je ko question number 59 je parong am godre question number 59 de hang is kaino the additional kinetic energy to be provided to a satellite of mass m revolving around a planet of mass capital M to transfer it from a circular orbit of r1 to another of radius r2 na haba sisi noi ngam godra ngamoidra di start out ni saja haina ro no response ngam godro ngamoidro saja haina ro
Mujer.
keba
Jose.
Hoche ka okay hoche all right so let's do it ka Lorzi the can have the additional container to be provided to a satellite of mass revolving around planet mass to transfer it from the circular orbit of r1 to another of r2 have been able to do regadi kind have the one put delta e never so delta e is like we have the additional energy never half it is like e2 by e1 high never so cd kaila can have the minus araga g m divided by harga ccd r2 lani ko minus c2 r2 hai tar minus harga minus z m harga and 2 la jike yes 2 la kani half ni ko total energy to minus 1 by 2 neba and then cr1 lani adu oiba taraga di moina minus c yaudramnina z okay half gmm ka half gmm harga kailani have the 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 ka so half gmm 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 ka option number D is the right answer sir na solve to easy style ji gyanta bremo gyanta dagadi gyanta de dum hero ka sir dum ken toge amuka explain toge ba ko yarba me am sikise okay keno ne ba ko sikisi da ne high is the earth key let's say this is the earth ko earth dagi ke do we have the let's say sigi ke do ba magi ne center dagi sigi distance se this is r1 ne ba ko so r1 ji the satellite am lai re ba ko r1 ji the satellite am lai re now sigi satellite sigi energy se E1 ne hairge ko, and then audai amka kai we have the kara height kara wang ba tare ko R2 sida another satellite ama the same satellite ji kai gumba R1 dagina R2 da puba taragadi R2 da puba taragadi ko kai tani hai matamda magi sina kaino energy si E2 neba aduna E1 da leremba energy to dagi additional aina work kha tor kan E2 ta na pu doine ba ko adudi additional work done do have the kind of the additional energy therapy do ne work higher energy agar it hardly matters auna moini gi energy difference to adu aina pisan do ne ba kanada aham gi sida ko so akoina kai khangi have the energy of a satellite si kai tai have the no aina so the eve screen no khanjalam do male sir do budi sir di si ka sir je dum leng go di ai but noi de am ko uram moi ko natra heng recorded to ura ro ai so ai thang da ke ko so kai lei hai matam da cgc minus r ga gmm by 2r ne ko si noi khangadabani so 2r plus h hai bani but moina kai hai have the cr is radius of the earth na te ko this is radius of the orbit ne ba aduna orbit ci r plus h oi bani but moina r is radius of the orbit hai means minus lower ne ko aduga cgc na kai tai have the c minus gmm by har ga sina r1 sina 2r2 adudi chamanari kaino sida minus minus c plus layerni somgi sina first ta thamgrani ko ana half gmmg common lothokradi 1 by r1 leore minus 1 by r2 no sumain tarakaduni ko gyan ta horaba still gyan ta driba tare ko okay fine ko ai call am la em to we ko to pa ki ko okay fine ko so makata urzi ko de where were we? Yes, CG question. Question number 59. Question number 60 say two satellites of Earth, S1 and S2 are kedova moving in the same orbit. The mass of S1 is 4 times the mass of S2. Which one of the following statements is true? Have a go. So the potential energies of Earth and satellite in the two cases are equal. S1 and S2 again potential energy the mass depend to can that right? Aduna potential energy and easy mana yaroiba kaino potential energy si m2 to depend to mass of the satellite to depend to because aduna potential energy of earth and satellite in the two cases are equal oiroi ko adeke the s1 and s2 are moving with the same speed and now we have the orbital speed se orbit the chatpai speed se si chap manabra orbit ki speed ki formula ji kaino have the root over kaino gm by r plus h ne ko aduna mass of the satellite depend to deba orbital speed se gyan ta de tai ko aduna option number b is chumani option number c the kinetic energies of the two satellites are equal kinetic energy si manaroi kai di mass manadabni na speed manager ga su half mv square ne ko mass manadabni na kinetic energy manaroi option number d the time period of S1 is 4 times that of S2 have a so we same orbit the same height they will have the same time period gyan tai guys ya aduna we have the time period see time period in mass depend to the on option number b is the right answer S1 and S2 are moving with the same speed okay fine so question number 60 is kai tagyo no response Anjali tabra
Tatai.
okay so kai tagyo answer si kise
What are you
yengi gan masage tahudra
How many I did phone tao liên này?
Yung.
Oh. 64 rồi.
Open में दी था
B đây.
Kay tayo ba? B o D ro?
B.
B ko?
BB
B for boy. Dun eh. So, option number B si taga dun eh. Ado, B tayo mo naman si kangaw ra ba? Si kito mayam na naman.
Sao không hâu đây?
khangore ko habdi kaidobogi a tabaya dino kaidobai c tabaya dino kaidobai d tabaya dino je khange ko khangdaba mi yaute hairo sir c gi sida option number c do khangodre or d do khangodre or a do khangodre na natra khangabo lone ma yarbo okay okay am tanga hanse ba ko tanga hanse ba dun takpadi phajna ai taage now see the higher is have the two satellites of Earth S1 and S2 are moving in the same orbit have never quite first the same orbit never and then mass of S1 is 4 times the mass of S2 never aduna kaido have the potential energies of Earth potential energy di manaroi ko suppose U1 hageba U1 is kaino minus G ME harga M ka divided by M1 aita divided by harga RE plus H never ka aduga kaidoba U2 zina kayo dino minus Z ME M2 divided by kaino adum RE plus H neba aduga kaido we have the M1 ga M2 ga mana deba M1 is not equal to M2 yantai go have the U1 is not equal to U2 since M1 is not equal to M2 then S1 and S2 are moving with the same speed speed ti chap manaiba kay the speed of a satellite si kay have the root over Z ME by Kedova R plus H never, RE plus H never. Now this is the formula for speed of the satellite. On the speed of the satellite, the mass of the satellite depends on deva. Gyantai ko aisa, on the mass to amana M1 zina Kedova M2 zina 4 times of M1 or so it doesn't matter. Speed the same way never. Speed is constant. Gyantai ta de tai ko. The kinetic energy the Kedova have speed manager so mass manadavani na manara roiva. Gyantai ta de have the K1 si have the half M1 V1 square never. And kaidoba K2 zina kaino half M2 V2 square never. Aduragati K1 is not equal to K2 since haraga kaidoba M1 is not equal to M2 but V1 is equal to V2 hata. Gyan daita desi kize? Tarbo ma'am?
Tai sir.
Taika. Okay, fine. So, and then mathangda ke do we have the option number D the time period of S1 is 4 times that of S2 and high ka sidi product lale time period sidi kaino have the time period always akoina ke do we have the aziki height depend do ko mass of the satellite depend do deva time period se ko auna aduna ke do we have the time period t square z kaino have it is equal to some k times of RE plus H whole cube never ko and see the mass yaude dana se ko natrana swaina 3 by 2 harzi ai ko noina torgana some k times of harga time period si si neba auna si the mass depend to de si gize gyan daita de tai ko mass of the satellite depend to de time period se auna id si ju lala neba yarni yarbo okay sai la yare ko
Yeah,
okay fine Gravitation yarba
sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. Anjali, Shivani, Kaninglu, Yarbo.
Sir, yarani.
Okay, fine. Now, question number 61. For a satellite moving in an orbit around the Earth, the ratio of kinetic energy to potential energy is an high name. Because half tarni ko kinetic energy the half ni potential hadi kinetic energy na minus half neba potential energy na minus 1 neba. Auna minus half the sorry kedoba kinetic energy na plus half haitare and potential energy na minus 1 ne ko aduna half the minus 1 yelagadi minus half ti tagadam ni but moina negative sign do yawramdre ko so option numbers kai tagadino is option number kai tadino option number A tadini ko check tori yung sige this should be option number A tabre gyan buta bro
Option number A would it die?
ado gyan di tadreba
Oh, oh.
Okay, no kuhai do sir. Option number A would be tie, but do na kena mahai na tak padi kochi em le ko. Kai you know is formula padri ja. Test na hayeng katanga ndu formula padri kai na. Kinetic energy is equal to minus half erga Z M E M by RE plus H ni potential energy di kaino habda minus half na ma di half tang ni ka potential energy di kaino habda minus Z M E M divided by RE plus H ni aduna moina ratio of kinetic energy divided by potential energy hargadi half divided by minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 by 2 tagadabani moina kedo we have the minus sign do hapiramdre ka aduna kai tarni have the moi the kwaide sana budi kai no half sin kwai sana re na ka minus half ti tagadam ne moina minus to apam da yar bo si kisa
Yeah, sir.
yani buko noi hazik noi marak to kinetic energy formula phada ba yaw male potential energy formula ju phada again sisi phaba phada ba wa na te buko sir na have do ningsingo id potential energy formula dang khangi the kinetic energy ju dum khang bani kai no di unit to habdi amana minus 1 ni amana plus half ni aduga total energy no minus 1 by 2 ta gi ne buko minus 1 plus half t minus half ni dana ko right I already derived to grab ni no kai gumba class to how the batar gadi I think gravity gi in a second super class rain direct give the ko adu the sakhalaga yengo habdi sir already sir na jipo botai lecture sing se ko lecture series each and every video is recorded session ngatani ko and recorded lecture में जी NSH and Nature Science Humanity को NSH project and YouTube ta NSH project and थीरो अदुगा नोइना अपाम video हजी पौ द ताखर बगै जे लोइन थेंगनानी बा अदुदा चंगा गदम थीरो को सर ने कैप्शन के का याम फसना हापने कई निमित्त कई topic cover to we have the ko anyway let's move on so question of luoyen si dia ngasi dia ngan loidre class question number 62 ko the satellite of mass m is orbiting around the earth in a circular orbit of with a velocity v what will be its total energy na ko this question yam dro na sir solve to thoge ko adu dingarang lo ya chani kitang ga sandara mati ka okay fine so satellite of mass m is orbiting around the earth in a circular orbit what will be its total energy have see the adu di like you know total energy formula the minus half Hierarchy capital G M E M divided by hierarchy R E plus H whole square never. Don't worry. I don't can now Hazikida we have the this is the formula for total energy never. Now in the Hazikida we have minus half hierarchy Z M E hierarchy the Serna kida we have the my velocity though. Adugi sorry any square am tapai ji kaino square am tapai dam ne ko so this is equal to half hierarchy m hierarchy this is v square ne since hierarchy v is equal to root over z me by re plus h ne ko aduna minus half mv square so minus half mv square the option number d tabre mo mya
Patai.
like so sir na kinato is sir na solve to is kyan tabra
Oh,
square.
okay fine sahila kaya हमने किदा
MV square like
mv square la is kama no ko kay you know have the c is the yung ko right but hage half c the layer ko minus c minus layer ko mz m layer ko si dadum m layer ko and zme by re plus h zme by re plus h v is root over this neva ana ini si the square of so la di root ka square root ka create som the v square la oidro yarbo yare ko okay fine adunai kenu neba ngasi jina gravity ki last class ne aduna ngasi dagi yaurok por gadi noi follow to the one neba the Kaigumano gravity check ham first day of gravity had Tareko. Adagi Takpado and the key Monday Haikadra and the key Monday day class Yaromata Gadino Loinama Gyantane which is no class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday class to Mr. or Gadi Nauni Buka Dini. So the class Mr. Gunazi. I don't know in a recorded session at the mean Bianica recorded session G Sarnadum Tagat Panevoka. So the Nayi or recorded session YouTube Jiangoka. Now next Torzik can you see that? The mean radius of Earth is r. Its angular speed on its own axis is omega, and the acceleration due to gravity on at Earth's surface is z. What will be the radius of the orbit of a geostationary satellite? Again, it's so simple. No, this is gadra. Sorry, question angular speed omega, and the acceleration due to gravity. Blah blah. What will be the radius of the orbit of a geostationary satellite? Have a call. All right, fine. So, we have the v the putozika. So v is equal to root over zm by have the re plus h name. Yareka. What will be the radius of the orbit of a geostationary satellite? Okay, fine. So I won't write re plus h. I'll just write r. Radius to nina. Sitare. Adu ibata argadi aina sigisida we have the. Can I write like this? Yonko. Sisi v square to v square is equal to zm harga. Sidesida re square hapageko. And then re square hapadi sidazu re square hapani and then cr ni sisina kaina have the r is kaina have the re plus h niko. Anyway, so c is kaitani si z tarni. And then C sina kaino have the omega square r square tarni. And then C sina re square adum tarni. And then C sina kai tarni r tarni buka. Now moina putwa is kaino. What will be the radius of the orbit of it? The r tab never. R is putwa never. R putwa these are e mean radius of the earth is r have never. Okay, fine. So Aduragadi will have to change a little. So let's say I'll have to take this as r and sigis can odum hizarage ko re plus h adum hizarage. Kay no dimo na r si sin thokre radius of the earth ki mapada on si idum re plus h hizarage. Sisu kay doba sisu okay r plus h adum hibiani ko sorry. Moina kenozi. Notation is in any moment sinner president factorize r plus h star ni sizu r plus h star ni sizu r plus h star ni aduga sigisina r tar ni buko and then sida yauri po sizu kai tar ni have the r plus h whole square tar ni buko so sigisi r plus h whole square tar yare ko Aduragadi r plus h is equal to harga z ka or rz divided by omega harga omega square ka aduga sisina cube layani buka so r plus h whole cube is equal to r square z by omega square tare buka Aduragadi kaitarani have the it implies r plus h is equal to harga r square z by omega square to the power kaina 1 by 3 tan si cube se som pugre di 1 by 3 ka so option number kay do ba a tabre om ma'am yo
Tại sir.
tare ko so okay fine so ngasi di class se yam ngan loi thokre sida loi re ko ngasi gi oina di gravity ji aina kay do ka chekre Taco lawyer gravity se ka in a kangdo kotoboke kama ma yauragadi hainaro a tragangasi classing and the losalazira it's only 9 p.m. ka mapan taw the ngari sidi natragana makatactor makatactor in no di haying ka hayingi test se okay fine let me stop this screen share ka okay fine ka so hayingi test sida lakadu ji kai kai no ha matam the gravity ma hodilo bola ani ka ꯑꯗꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯦꯁꯇ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯁꯟꯗꯦꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯇꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯆꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯒꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯁꯇ ꯍꯪꯒꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯚꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯥꯌꯔ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯁꯤꯃ ꯍꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯃꯦꯖꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯒꯦꯖ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯚꯔꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯀꯦꯂꯤꯄꯔ एरर अदुदगी केदोबा डायमेंशंस को अदुदगी नोगी प्रिसिजन एक्यूरेसी अदुवदा अदु म्याम दो लाकदोइने बको सो केके हंगनिंग बलै म्याम नो यारबा ngasi क्लास से सिदा लोसलजरा नो रेस्पॉन्स
बने कैलिपर से दूसरी याउदनट्रो
कई हेबा बर्नियर कैलिपर केदोबा
याउदोइ नट्रो
याउदोइनी यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट चैप्टर दो यारकदोइनेबा अउदे सर ने एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिजिक्स हाइबनिना अतोपा अइने नोइदे ताक्ट्रिबा एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिजिक्स दा और प्रैक्टिकल हाइगद्रा अदुदा चनबे याबा टॉपिक म्याम अम लैरी करेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गी लैरी फॉर एग्जांपल देन ऑप्टिक्स दगी हंगबे याबा म्याम लैको रे ऑप्टिक्स दगी एंड देन अतोपा म्याम जे मॉडर्न फिजिक्स दगी अगेन मॉडर्न फिजिक्स दगी थोइने लैते कइनो दि नोइगी क्लास 12 लेवल गी ने एक्सपेरिमेंट दो याउदे हतारेको अदुना कइदो वी हैव द अदुगुंबा कइदोबा अगेन कइदोबा थर्मोडायनामिक्स गुंबा को व्हाटएवर एनी एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिजिक्स चनबे याबा सरना ताक्ट्रिबो टॉपिक कइदो कवर तौद्रिबो टॉपिक कइदो अदुदैदि क्वेश्चन अमता लाओयेबको लाकदुजी ओनली यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट जिबोदा इन ताखिबदो इंस्ट्रूमेंट की मतंग दा एक्यूरेसी प्रिसिजन ब्ला 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 अदु म्याम दो को अदु जिंगदो हंकदुइनी को जीरो एरर पॉजिटिव एरर नेगेटिव एरर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एरर डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ अदि यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट चैप्टर दुमा कंप्लीटली लानी ग्रेविटी का यारनी को म्याम लेनेमा
अच्छा
Sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Fare doing a C class, this is the local. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. Thank you.
good night
Thank you,
sir
sir. Good night, sir.
Okay, okay. Good night, good night. Thank you.